The first part of a speech will get was noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, my name is Soham. Soham is also a noun. For other example, in this room can be the fans, the tube lights, the stools, the windows, and you all, my audience. Now I will point out nouns from this poem. Table, chair, shoe, garden, wall, song, Tuesday, morning, cupboard, bed, head, not pen. Ask Vishaka to tell us what are pronouns. Another part of my speech we know are the pronouns. Words used place of a noun are called pronouns. For example, I am a student of class 3, so I is my pronoun. She is a good girl, she is my pronoun. You are my audience, you is my pronoun. Let's see if there are any pronoun here. My pronoun. I is my pronoun. You is my pronoun. Now Viral will tell us what are verbs. The next part of speech is verbs. Action verbs are called verbs. For example, that mouse is sitting under the table, so sitting is my verb. Now that mouse is standing on the garden, so standing is my verb. Here is another mouse yawning at the table, so yawning is my verb. Look, he jumped, so jumped is my verb. Look, he is singing, so singing is my verb. These are all the verbs. Now I will point out the verbs for this poem. Saw, sitting, jumping, singing, saw, yawning, jump, live. Now I will ask Harika to tell us what are adverbs. The next part of the speech we know is the adverb. Adverbs are words which describe the action further. For example, this mouse is singing sweetly. So sweetly is my adverb. This mouse jumps suddenly. Suddenly is my adverb. Activity always be decorated beautifully. Beautiful is my adverb. Now let's see if there are any adverb in this poem. Krishna will tell us about it. The next part of the speech is an adjective. An adjective is the word which further describes a noun. For example, big is equal to big is my adjective. Caring, so caring is my adjective. Now we'll search for adjective in this poem. Baby will tell us what are prepositions. Speech we know are the preposition. A preposition is a word that show a relationship between a noun and a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. For example, this mouse is sitting under the table, so under is my preposition. This mouse is standing on the table, so on is my preposition. Look. A mouse in the cupboard, so then is my preposition. Let's look if there are any prepositions written board. on, under, in, over, beside. Tell us about conjunctions.
Part of the speech is conjunctions. Joining words are called conjunctions. For example, I love India and Mumbai. So and is my conjunction. I was absent yesterday because I was sick. So because is my conjunction. Now I will point out conjunctions of this poem.